Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the green screen problem on your iPhone iOS 18. Many people are currently having this problem where your iPhone basically gets stuck on this green screen, or it's showing some strange green tint issues on your iOS 18. Don't worry guys, I'm going to show you how to fix this step by step. So first things first, of course, you're going to go ahead and restart your iPhone, okay? The simplest fix, basically, perform a restart. Press and hold the power button and either the volume button until this slider basically appears, then turn it off and then back on. Okay, then what you can also do is you can update to the latest iOS. So go to your settings, go click on general, and then click on software update and check if there is an update available. You know, Apple often releases fixes or bugs like the green screen issue. So they release fixes for such things. And what you can also do is you can go ahead and turn off True Tone and Night Shift in your display settings. So open up settings, then click on display and brightness. Just toggle off True Tone and ensure Night Shift is disabled. This may actually help you resolve the screen tint issue. And sometimes, lowering the brightness can help. So you can swipe down to access the control center and reduce the brightness level. And if the issue actually still persists, guys, lowering the brightness can help. So you just want to go ahead and do that. And if the issue still is happening, what you can do is you can try resetting all your settings. So go to settings, and then go to general, click on transfer or reset iPhone, then just click on reset and then click on reset all settings. And what this will do is it will not delete your data, but it will reset all your preferences. Okay, that should help fix the issue. And if the green screen still ends up appearing while using specific apps, you want to uninstall and reinstall those apps specifically, or you can check for app updates. And what you can also do is you can connect your iPhone to a computer and open iTunes or Finder on macOS. Then just select your device and then click Restore iPhone. Okay, this reinstalls iOS, basically fixing any deeper issues. And if none of these steps work, what you can always do is you can go ahead and contact Apple support because the problem may actually be hardware related. So go ahead and reach out to Apple support or visit an Apple store for further assistance. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, guys, consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.